Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin and today I'll be showing you the quickest way to contribute to open source. Let's get right into it. This is already a repo I opened SwiftUI to do, and the quickest way to contribute to this is to go right to the README and look for any typos, any grammatical errors. And right here it says Swift UI to do is an example to do list application using Swift UI, which is first introduced in WWDC 19 keynote. So the right grammar would be was. So you click on this icon to edit and you change this to was. You commit your changes, you say something like from is to was, you propose a change, you create a pull request, and you hit create pull request. And that's it. That's actually the easiest way to contribute to open source. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.